Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q1 of the bi-weekly contest 140 minimum element after replacement with digit sum. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. So there are a couple of ways you can do it really, but I did it the silly way. But you just have to sum up digit one at a time. This is a little bit messy. The way that I did is that I actually just created an array and then I converted it, and then I take the min, and the way that I convert is just by converting to a string and then convert each digit in the string that way. But you could and probably should do it the digit sum way. So maybe the ds for digit sum for an x is just that as equals 0. While x is greater than 0, we add it by x mod 10 to get one digit at a time. We do it by 10 and then we return r, right? Pretty straightforward. And then you can replace this here, right? Let me double check real quick. Yep, it looks okay. And then the second thing you can do is that we're doing a min at the end, but you can actually do a little bit better. So maybe we can do best is equal to infinity, where infinity is big enough, it doesn't really matter. There's only 4 digits, so even if infinity is like 100, you'll be big enough, right? There's 4 digits there, or 9s or whatever. And then here you could just do best is equal to min best ds of x, and then now you can reduce this space a little bit more. During the contest I just did whatever the first thing came to me, and that code that you saw earlier was linear time, linear space, because I had it in an array. And you can also add in maybe a log d for or log d where d is the range of the numbers, and log d of course then is just the number of digits in that number, right? So so that's gonna be n log d time and log d space, I guess, because, or log d space, because best can the sum of the number of digits is just going to be log d or something, right? So or it takes log d storage in theory. So sorry, I just woke up. But that's all I have for this one. You just basically do it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and you could watch me solve it live during the contest next one. Not awake enough. Let's go. All right. Of course, server looks like it's having issues. Maybe not. I don't know. Just took a while though. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That's why I have a print. I mean, I'm one code takes an extra second, or 2, or 5, or okay. Taking an extra couple. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, the explanation, this contest, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.